So if you have a Lexus IS or ES vehicle and the battery goes dead and your key fob will not unlock the doors, the windows are rolled up, and you can't get the hood open so you can charge the battery to get in the car, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting in the car. So on most vehicles, you're able to put a key in here and manually unlock the door, but this one has a cover on it and you can't get access to the keyhole. So I'm going to show you how to get access to it. So if right here you look on the bottom of the handle, there's a little notch. If you use a plastic panel popping tools like this, you put it right here underneath the notch and give the tool a little twist. It will pop this cover off like this. And once you get it popped off, now you have access to the keyhole. Now your manual key is built into your key fob. So if you pull this little switch right here, and slide the key out of the key fob like this. Now you can stick this into the door lock and you can unlock your door manually. And now that you got access to the inside of the car, you can pop the hood and get your battery charged or changed out. That way your remote will work again. So now that you got access to the engine bay and you can charge your battery, we need to put the cover back on. So we're going to take the top here and it's going to hook over the top of the door lock cylinder here. So you press it down and you use your thumb and push it and rotate it down into place and you'll feel it lock on. You want to give it a little wiggle and tug to make sure it's not going to pop back off. I'm Brian Esser from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this.